Hello everyone! Frequently handling tools or materials in slippery environments can increase the number of injuries you suffer from each year. And today I will introduce Seibertron HIGH-VIS SDXG2 Impact Safety Glove with touchscreen functions, which will not only protect your hands from hazards, but also provide you with the excellent grip. And both index and middle finger tips are coming with high sensitive conductive material to use in uncontrolled panels or smartphones. Massive TPR paddings on backhand will offer superior impact protection to dissipate forcefully blows over a large area. Extra slots on finger part enhance better dexterity and flexibility in job operations. And Super Grip technology on the palm provides reliable grip power on wet or oily surface. Water-resistant and stain-resistant process has been fully applied on the palm to help gloves easily to be cleaned. 3 pieces of SBR-filled paddings on the palm match ergonomic design and provide vibration-resistant and shock absorption to reduce hand fatigue in a long time of drilling work. A super abrasion-resistant fabric on surface of the paddings will enhance extra grip power and increase glove longevity. EN3884131XP mark has been printed on the label. All results are supported with test report. The numbers and letters above from left to right are representing Level 4 abrasion resistant, Level 1 cut resistant, Level 3 tear resistant, and Level 1 puncture resistant. The last sign P means the glove has passed impact protection test. Seibertron also added an extended wrist closure for wrist secure and also fit work suit perfectly. This slip-on cuff helps wearer rapid on and off gloves between missions. Embroidery naming tab on the wrist provides extra convenience for ID identification. TPR pulling tab on the wrist helps glove getting proper position fast. Glove clipping holes is designed to match Seibertron patented glove clip together to avoid glove missing or hands injuries caused by glove missing. High visible color scheme and reflective tape increase visual awareness. Wide range of size options is available from size small to size double extra large to fit most hand shapes. Seibertron HIGH-VIS SDXG2 Safety Glove is the ultimate head protection solution with high dexterity for oil and gas drilling, rigging, extraction, and refining, and many other heavy-duty industries. And more Seibertron safety gloves will be introduced in my next video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.